So in this video, I will describe a little bit about the Swarm Agent framework created by OpenAI. Um, this is a beta product, so it's not to be used for production, they say, but it's really a simple and clean and nice agent framework, a little bit easier to use than CrewAI, even though maybe it doesn't really have as many features, but it's really good. So if we look at our project here again, we have a Swarm here. So the easiest way to run this is to run it using dev containers. So I'll just run here code Swarm test Swarm project. So we'll start this one, and we want to start we open it in dev container. So why we want to do that is so that we have an environment that with Python and everything and all the installations and everything that we need without having to install them on your own host computer. So what it also will do in the first time you run it is that it will do a pip install minus our requirements. So it will install all the different requirements needed, these ones, in this environment, so you have them. And then the actual code will actually be in here under demo code. So here we have all the different code parts. We also have here the environment file. This will be used to read out where the Swarm framework will call the LLM to call. So here we say that the OpenAI API base URL actually points to our local Ollama server. And well, we have a key, but it will not be used. We just say dummy there, whatever. But these are so this is the server that will be used for any LLM call. So if we look at the main, which is what we will run here, so we can see here in the code here. So just go into this project and run Python main.py. So now I'm actually running the agent in the background. So what this actually will do is that it will run the run news workflow with the input AI, which run this function, where it will create a client with first we create a client with a news agent, and it tell me give me all the news about topic, that is AI in this case, what we got in at current date. So give me all the news about AI for today. Then it will go use the news agent. You can see here that news agent actually have tools, a tool called web search. So this will actually use DuckDuckGo to fetch results on the internet, and it will use the model here, the Granite 3.1 dense 2B model. After it's done that, it will actually just write out what we got back, and then it will use another agent which is called an editor agent, which just will say that, okay, rewrite me this and give me a news article ready for publishing, each news story in a separate section. So what you see here is that it fetched some stuff, and then it created some news parts here of the data it actually retrieved from the internet, and used these two different agents to and with tools for the first one and not the second one to actually accomplish the given task, then to get to fetch this information on the internet and then compose it into a readable format in a good way. So that's a really short intro how to use Swarm and to how to run it in the dev container supplied in this project.